Hey guys, just a few reminders about the meet tomorrow. So first, we're going to leave at 5:45. So please plan to be there at 5:45 so that we can get on the road. First race is at 9 o'clock, and we want to get there in time for the girls to get warmed up and all of that good stuff. So um, knowing that we are leaving early, you should also plan to pack a healthy breakfast. You probably don't want to eat breakfast at 5 o'clock in the morning. Maybe you do, I don't know. I'm probably not going to want to eat breakfast at 5 o'clock in the morning, but you do need to eat a good healthy breakfast before you race tomorrow. So you don't want a lot. You don't want something super heavy. So make sure you just bring something healthy to eat a couple hours before you race tomorrow. Also, it is calling for kind of nasty weather, so spikes it'd be a great day to have spikes if you have spikes. And then, as we've talked about, make sure you have like change of clothes or whatever. Running in the rain is a lot of fun. Sitting in wet clothes on the way home would not be so much fun, so just kind of be prepared for that. Also, if you plan to ride the bus home with us tomorrow, go ahead and bring a few dollars to eat. The awards after the race are at noon, so we will leave soon after that, and then we will have, a couple hours drive home after that. So we will stop and get something to eat. So bring some money to eat lunch on if you are riding the bus home with us tomorrow. All right, I hope you guys have a good night, and we'll see you in the morning.